We've got Google Maps and Apple Maps for every job. And here's my dashboard. You can click the map and you can open it up in Google Maps or open up in Apple Maps. And it tells you how far away the job is. As this one is 505 miles away, it's going to be a while, 480 minutes. This one's 20 miles away, 25 minutes. And the first job is always calculated for you. And when you open up the job, here's the map. You can open up in Google Maps and Apple Maps. It shows you where the location is and how far away it is. And you can then adjust the service based upon, do you know about this? Do you know about the pricing? Yeah. So you can set rules for pricing and get paid for every square foot, every type of foundation, the size of the house, and also travel time. So you can put this calculation into every job and get paid for every mile that you travel because we have integrated all the maps and it's fantastic software. Check it out.